I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese at home without vinegar. Forget acidic methods. We're diving into the traditional way. We'll explore using rennet, a natural enzyme to transform milk into delightful cheese. This approach opens up a world of possibilities for creating firmer, more complex cheeses right in your own kitchen. Get ready to discover the simple science behind truly authentic homemade cheese, step by step, with clear instructions. To begin your cheese-making journey, gather your essential tools and ingredients. You'll need 1 gallon of high-quality whole milk, not ultra-pasteurized, and a small bottle of liquid rennet. For equipment, ensure you have a large, clean pot, an accurate thermometer to monitor temperatures precisely, and a good quality cheesecloth for draining. Don't forget non-iodized cheese salt, which is vital for both flavor development and proper preservation of your finished cheese. These items are your foundation. The magic begins with heating your milk. Gently warm 1 gallon of whole milk to exactly 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare your rennet by diluting 1/4 teaspoon of liquid rennet in 1/4 cup of cool, non-chlorinated water. Stir this mixture into your warm milk for about 30 seconds, ensuring even distribution. Then, let the milk sit completely undisturbed for 45 to 60 minutes. During this time, the rennet will work its wonders, forming a solid curd. Once your curd is firm, it's time to cut it. Use a long knife to slice the curd into 1/2 inch cubes. Gently heat these curds to 100 degrees Fahrenheit over about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Next, drain the curds through a cheesecloth-lined colander, then press them for several hours to remove excess whey. Finally, salt your cheese generously and age it in a cool, humid environment for a few weeks. This aging process develops its rich, complex flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.